Introducing 15 Sawtooth Court. Today I'm presenting this beautiful quintessential Hilton Head Island home to market. It's 3,600 plus square feet, all on one level. Y'all, I love this kitchen. It's been really thoughtfully designed. It's got the white cabinetry, the smooth cooktop, double ovens, sub-zero refrigerator, pantry, sub-zero freezer, and it has a wine fridge. I want you to see this owner's suite. It's really cool. Come on, check it out. Bedroom. Oh, but wait, what is this? You've got your own office, little den area right off the bedroom. This is great when you have people visiting or you just want to hide out. This bathroom, double vanity, beautiful towel shower, tub, separate commode area, and you gotta see the closet. The cul-de-sac location of this home really creates a lot of privacy, and there's also some beautiful fairway vistas. If you'd like to see more, call me to schedule your private showing.